There's no better place to catch some panfish really close to the Wasatch Front right now than Rockport, maybe Echo just down the road. Hey, I'm Adam Equal and thanks for tuning in. Yeah, we came up here, we got a really big group we're gonna introduce you to. We're also gonna introduce you to our buddy Joe. Didn't even know this, but Joe is a member of the USA ice fishing team. Didn't even know that existed. We'll tell you all about it and hopefully get some perch, maybe do a little fish fry.
We're gonna go pound the perch.
All right.
Perch and fishing is good. Everybody get up here and get some.
Yeah, we got kids, and you know what? When you're fishing for perch, kids always love to catch perch. So
this is my new toy to go ice fishing.
The ultimate ice fishing machine.
The ultimate ice fishing machine. Wheelcraft, water, ice, and land. So it's an amphibian vehicle.
ready?
Yep. It floats. It'll pull back up on the ice. It'll hold fish 3 guys in there.
Yeah, that's nice. We're riding in style today. Yeah, we are. Thanks to plan.
It has a diesel heater. It has a 26-horse Kohler engine. Runs like a top.
The warm weather we had in early February softened up the ice here at Rockport, but the recent cold snap last week has firmed the ice back up. Anglers are once again back on the ice, although in some places they are needing to use a plank of wood to get out. As always, use caution.
Yeah, we're stacked up down there. Look at that.
We're just right on top of them.
We're fishing just north of the ramp in about 30 feet of water. And perch are littering the bottom.
Catch some fish, huh?
See a monster? Woo!
Nice, first fish of the day.
That's cool, your first one.
Fun for the kids, listen to them giggle. That's cool.
Oh,
It's one or the other.
she's smoking, you guys.
She is. Where'd you hook that one, Sammy?
That's a big one.
tug. Oh yeah, that's a valuable fillet.
Nice, Sammy.
Oh man, he's got the camera mic jinx. Look at him over there.
I love it that you can take kids out here and just everybody can be successful. I do a lot of personal messaging on Facebook to help people get their kids into fish, and I love it because this year the fish are starving and the bite is on.
Do you have one?
Oh yeah.
Oh, mine's a bigger one, Owen.
Oh, we got doubles.
Oh, dang. Liam's got a big
Triples.
one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That might win you.
I win a
Might
ton.
win you a hat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a decent one too. Owen. That one's good. Yeah, three eaters.
Nice.
All 3 of them. Are
It's
good.
the Mike curse.
Cool. Kids are gonna have fun today. That's what makes it right there.
Finally!
I'm fishing with the Gizzy bug on a Vertigo 2-head, 1/32 ounce. Started out baiting it with a wax worm and then a night crawler. Really, when you get catching a few of these perch, the best thing to do is to put a piece of perch meat on or a perch eye because it stays on the hook better. And really, you just want a little bit of bait to have that. Yeah, there's one. To have that scent to kind of seal the deal.
James is back producing his Maniac custom lures after taking a few years off to concentrate on his family. His lures are top notch and I always seem to catch plenty of fish on them.
But yeah, I love making lures. It can turn into a passion. You know, there's nothing like making a lure and then going out and catching fish on a lure that you design and produce. Right? Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, another giant. Oh, this one's huge. Look at that thing. Another monster.
Well, like we said, it is just fish after fish. If you do come out, make sure you have a really light rod. Oh, that's a good one. Uh-oh, that's fatty. I'm using the dead meat 36 from Clam. Really enjoy this rod. It's really sensitive. I don't know, Glenn, that might be my biggest of the day.
Nice.
And just anything small, that little Gizzy bug that James makes. I've got on a teardrop from Clam. Working really good. That's a good fish. Yeah, perch fishing is fun, especially for kids, even big kids like Joe, who enjoys catching panfish. So much so that he's on his second stint with the USA ice fishing team.
I didn't even know there was a USA ice fishing team.
You know, up until about 2 years ago, I didn't either. And I saw a post on Facebook. They were in Estonia fishing the World Championships. And I told myself I was going to be on the team one day. And less than a year later, I was on the team out in Mongolia fishing in the World Championships.
How does it work?
So you fish in zones. They set up 5 different zones. And you got one guy from each country in each zone. Come game day, no electronics, no power augers, and we use palm rods. It's very primitive. If you drilling through, in Mongolia, we're drilling through 55 inches of ice with the hand auger.
Almost exclusively panfish?
Yeah, I mean, in Mongolia it was roach and perch. At the World Championships this year, we just did our tryouts in Michigan on the lake we're doing World Championships, and it's bluegill and crappie in a stunted lake, so 4 or 5 inch bluegill, and it's total weight, as many as you can catch as fast as you can in 3-hour heats.
It's gotta be chaos.
It's chaos. It's organized chaos. So it's very strategic. I mean, it's a big giant chess match. It's really fun to watch. They turned fishing into an actual sport doing it this way.
Like Joe mentioned, they use what are called palm rods, these small, extremely sensitive ice fishing rods that are more common in European ice fishing circles. But they are becoming more popular here in North America. The reel on the rod is only used for line management when stored. When a fish is caught, you actually just hand line them in.
I mean, I have one on, so I'll bring it in. So we're actually going to hand line it in. I'm going to do 3 reels in. This is pretty deep water, so I'm going to throw my rod.
Okay.
And it's going to keep my line
This is all for
straight.
speed.
Yep.
Oh, that's a good fish too.
Yeah, and we got a good fish on there. So then you're taking it off, you throw it in your bucket, and you're dropping back down. So we'll keep that, and then we're going back down. Now, the best thing about palm rodding is when you throw your rod, your line stays the same depth, right? You're not having to find your depth every single time.
Okay, yeah.
The USA ice fishing team consists of 6 two-person teams. Joe is what is called a spotter.
Kind of like a corner man, right? So that guy's keeping an eye on the rest of the field, what's going on, where the fish are at. If we're not catching fast enough, we need to make that decision to move. So the spotter, along with the angler, is a vital role in fishing, because you saw me with the palm rod. You're focusing on those little bites, so you have somebody kind of talking over your shoulder, telling you what's going on.
The World's Ice Fishing Championship was held last week at Tamarack Lake in Michigan. 10 countries competed, and the U.S. took home 6th place. But Joe and his angler Chad Schaub were the highest-ranked U.S. pair, placing 12th. Lithuania took 1st, Finland 2nd, and Norway 3rd.
A lot of these guys, Lithuania, Ukraine, Russia, Belarus, they fish like this to feed their families,
Yeah, that's true.
So there's a lot on the line. So when it comes down to it, this is just how they fish, how they live. So they're just very good at it. And they have the best equipment too. You want to try?
Yeah, I do.
You're gonna be hooked.
Joe is going to try out for next year's team and is hoping to be an angler, representing our country at the Worlds in Sweden.
And now we're gonna throw that rod.
Okay. So just chuck it.
Yep. And then bring the rest in. There you go.
Little guy. First time.
You can learn more about the USA ice fishing team by checking out usaangling.com.
Man, the kids, well, even the adults, had a blast catching all those perch. And what better way to finalize the day, finish it up, that is, than to have a little fish fry. Tonight, we're gonna show you how to fillet a perch, and then we'll show you how to cook them, or at least how I like to cook them. Now, I'm not the best, but this is how I like to fillet a perch. First off, I like to keep anything over 10 inches if you can, but we caught a lot of 8s and 9s, so we're gonna fillet up a bunch of 9s today. Start right behind the gill plate. You're gonna go straight down. I've got a Bubba knife here. Go right down to the spine, and then you turn your knife over and go horizontally along that spine. Leave a little bit of skin on the back of the tail there. And boom, you've got a nice fillet there. The same way with the other side, I always have the back of the fish towards me. Under the gill plate, find the spine, come along that spine. Same thing, flip it over, leave a little tail on there, and it rips off really quick. Nice and easy, throw the carcass away. And now with these small fillets, you just need to take off that rib cage. Quick couple little cuts, and boom, it's off. And then I like to throw my fillets in some cold water. I got a lot to do here. We'll be right back and show you the rest. So now that our fillets are done, I just grab a few of them. Actually, I'm gonna first put my Louisiana fish fry in a Ziploc. Grab 5 or 6, shake them up, coat them well, let them sit for about 5 minutes to let the seasoning get inside of them a little bit, and then into the oil. It's pretty simple, pretty quick process. Okay, so you can kind of see the progression here. These ones I just did. I'm gonna coat them all with a little bit of real salt, garlic salt, local company, great stuff. Always support local. And now you can bake these. My wife can't eat deep fried foods, and so we'll bake these in the oven. But for this, we just got the Camp Chef Pro 60X. We got our temperature to 375 degrees, which is important when you're cooking fish, and it should only take a few minutes. I'm actually just a tad bit over. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit, and we should be good. All right, we're at 375. Let's go ahead and put them in. They look tasty, and they're gonna go really quick. And you want just enough oil to cover the fillets. 45 seconds, maybe a minute, and they're done. These things go super, super, super fast. And the last thing is a little lemon on top. We'll get the guys over here eating them up. They're ready to go. Eat them up.
Thanks, sir.
Get some coleslaw too.
Excellent. That's good stuff, bud.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Nothing better than leg to the plate in an hour.
Right?
Yeah, it's good.
Perch are a lot of work, but man, they are oh so good, oh so worth it. Walleye striper, yeah, pretty good as well. So if you get a chance to catch those, try the same recipe. Works out pretty well. What do you guys think? Good day, huh? Good day on the ice, good day at the dinner plate. I don't know about you guys, but that was a pretty dang good day on the ice.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, kids had fun.
Hot action. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the kids had fun, didn't you? Right on.
Hey, James, just a reminder again, where can people find Maniac Custom Lures?
At Angler's Den or maniaccustomlures.com.
Right on. And Joe, we'll come follow you on your Instagram. Is that what you said?
Icefish Utah, Joe Martinez on Facebook, and then USA Angling on Instagram and Facebook.
Man, get up here to Rockport, give old Maniac a call and get some lures ordered. They work great today. And get up here to Rockport, man. The fishing is fantastic. Hey, I'm Adam Eagle, KSL Outdoors. We'll see you next weekend. Good night.